x is proportional to y. Okay, Abubakar? Is this clear? We write x is proportional to y. Now, you say, sir, what does this mean, this sign? But this sign, how can we remove it? Basically, you have to, instead of this sign, we put equal to. So, x is equal to. But when we put an equal to, so when removing the sign, we put an equal to. And along with that, we put a constant. I'm going to name that constant as k. Which is this k is not a variable. This k is a constant. Okay? And then y. What is this k? This is a constant. Now you'll say, sir, I don't understand this right now. But okay, if I take this y on the left side, so on the down, so it should be x by y is equal to k. Okay. Now, but this statement means that x by y is a constant. X by y is a constant. Okay. So yesterday, remember we did that petrol question, petrol and distance in cars, that in 5 liter petrol, the car would go 210. Remember, Abubakar, that question we did in the yesterday's class?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, but if I assume that petrol to be, if I assume the distance to be x, and petrol to be y, so x by y, that is 200 by 5, 210 by 5. But this was coming as 42. So, over this is equal to 42. So, but this 42 now would remain constant even if I increase it. Even if I do it for 10 liters, it was coming 420. So, 420 by 10, but this is also coming 42. So, you understand that this is x1, this is y1, or if I this is x2, this is y2. The ratio remains equal. The ratio remains constant. Is this clear, Abubakar? The ratio remains constant. Is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So x by y is equal to k. Abubakar, now this means that x by y remains constant. So value of x1 by y1, this would mean that it remains equal to x2 by y2. This equal to x3 by y3. This is how we derive the formula for direct proportion. Okay, x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. Is this clear, Abubakar? How are we going to do it?
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you one question. This is a train is moving at a uniform speed of 75 kilometers per hour. Okay, so this is example 4. Speed of train is equal to 75 kilometers per hour. Now, this means that 75 kilometers per hour means distance covered in 1 hour is 75 kilometers. Distance covered in 1 hour is 75 kilometers. Just a minute. Okay, yes, Abubakar. So distance covered in 1 hour is 75 kilometers. Now I tell you how to do this. Let the distance be x. Let the time taken py. So to cover, now make the table. This is distance. This is time. So it is like x1, y1, x2, y2. So distance is 75 kilometers. Time is 1 hour. Okay, time in hours. distance in kilometers. Okay, now they are saying that how far will it travel in 20 minutes? How far will it travel in 20 minutes? So they are asking for 20 minutes. So 20 minutes is, so to convert 20 minutes to hours, 20 minutes to hour, I'm going to divide it by 60 because 1 hour has 60 minutes. So 20 by 60. So this is 1 by 3 hours. Okay, 1 by 3 hours. So how far will it go in 1 by 3 hours? Okay, so now we know that this is x1. X1 is 75. Y1, this is Y1. Y1 corresponding time taken is 1 hour. Y1. X2 we have to find out, and corresponding Y2 is given 1 by 3. Is this clear, Abubakar, till here?
Yes, sir.
Abubakar, is this clear? Okay. Now just put it in the formula. That is x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. So x1 is 75 by y1 is 1, which is this is equal to x2 by y2 is 1 by 3. Okay, now you have to be very careful. 1 by 3, when you take it on the other side, this is right now dividing. This would multiply. So x2 would be therefore equal to 75. Now 1 by 3 multiply, so it would be 1 by 3. Now if you divide this if you solve this would come as 25. So x2 is 25. So the car will cover 25 kilometers in 20 minutes. Is this clear, Abubakar?
Yes, sir.
Please note this down from, you have to note it from here. First note this, then you can ask me to scroll it down, then I'll show you that.
Second good. Second good.
Right, and Abubakar?
Yes, sir.
Abubakar, I want you to try the second part of this. Find the time required to cover the distance of 250 kilometers. Try on the second part of this. Same question, second another part. Okay.
Camera.
Are you doing it, Abubakar?
Yes, sir. Sir, 3 hours 20 minutes.
Yes, Abubakar, that is the correct answer. Very good. See, Abubakar, example 5, you have to see here. I'll tell you how to do this one. The scale of a map is given by 1 is to this. Okay, now you have to understand the meaning of it. Once you understand the meaning, it is very easy. Abubakar, let's say this is a map. Abubakar, where are you from in India?
Sir, Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Abubakar, this is the map of India. This is what it looks like. I am from Delhi, so this is Delhi, and you are from Hyderabad, so this is Hyderabad. Okay. Now, let's say that the distance between Delhi to Hyderabad, let's assume that it is 1,000 kilometers. Okay, it is 1,000 kilometers, but we can't draw a map 1,000 kilometers big. Okay, so what we do is we basically uh, draw a map keeping, let's say, distance of 10 centimeters on this. Okay, now what is this 10 centimeter means? Here 1 centimeter means 100 kilometers. Okay, so now distance of 10 centimeter would mean 1,000 kilometers. Is this clear? So like in this map, if there is a distance of, if there is a gap of 1 centimeter, so in real that means that there is a gap of 1,000 kilometers. Okay, Abubakar?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Easy. So suppose, let's say, next to Delhi, here is Haryana. Okay, so now let's say that there is a gap of 1 centimeter. So this means that Haryana is 100 kilometers. Okay, this is what map means. Okay, distance in map 1 centimeter is equal to something. Now they are saying that. Now let's read the question. The question is, the scale of a map is given by 1 is to 0, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So scale of a map is given by 1 is to this. So 1 centimeter in map means this much centimeter in real. Okay, so let the distance in map be x. Let the distance in map be x, and let the distance in real be y. Okay, now I'm not gonna draw the table. I'm directly gonna do it. But say x1 is 1 and corresponding length. Like when distance in map is 1, the corresponding real distance is 3 and this much. Okay, now they are asking two cities are 4 centimeter apart on the map. Find the actual distance between them. So two cities means the map distance is given. So x2 is given, that is 4 centimeter. So you have to find out the real distance. Okay, you have to find out the real distance, that is y2. Just put it in the formula. X1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. Which x1 is 1, y1 is 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is equal to x2 is 4 by y2. Okay. Now from here y2 is equal to, now see, take the cross multiplier, so take the y2 there and 3 this there. So y2 is equal to 4 into 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now this is y2 is therefore equal to 4 3 is 12, and then these 7 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So in real there is a distance in, so the cities are centimeters apart in real. Is this clear, Abubakar? How did we do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Abubakar, note this down, please. Have you written this, Abubakar?
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, done.
Okay. Now, Abubakar, I have already given you a homework. Are you getting time for homework these days? Tell me honestly.
Select if
Abubakar,
I
see. Yeah, yeah,
select
yeah.
if I make time, then yes. But then all the other
Acha,
times I'm doing the
Acha,
schoolwork.
Abubakar, can you at least do like you have a class with me